Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are not in Spain anymore, and this morning was a bit different than usual because, as you can see behind me, we emptied the rooftop tents of all our bedding. And as you can see, there was a lot of bedding inside. I'm gonna show you the empty inside. It's all empty in here. And we did that for one reason. It's because today is a pretty big day because we're gonna change our rooftop tent. Let's take the road. Okay, so we are heading to RLC Diffusion, and they're just less than 30 minutes of driving away, and I can't wait to get the new rooftop tent. Ready to change it.
Are you happy?
Very happy. Come on. Here is the new one. Obviously the same color, just like the Forester, but it got some upgrades. This is the 2.0 version, and it should be better. Let's put it on the roof. Okay, so now it's nicely folded, and now it's ready for the Forester. Okay, so the new rooftop tent is on the Forester, and Lizanne's finishing to tighten every bolt. It's looking pretty good.
Allez hop, à la team.
Yes.
Yes, I.
Okay, so now that we are back home and the rooftop tent's on the fuzz, let's open it and see how different it is from the old one. So actually we already have some improvements on the outside of the rooftop tent. First of all, the straps here on the cover are made of a smoother and more durable fabric, and then at the end of them you got new buckles. The buckles also change for a tie down quick lock style way more efficient and also easier to use under the rain or in a cold weather. And now the cover. The fabric changed for a flat black finish and I really like it. It also feels way more solid, way more serious, and the biggest change is the way it's made. As you can see here, there is no seams anymore. The cover is welded together, so this means the cover is gonna be even more waterproof and durable. And now, let's open it! Ta-da! So the rooftop tent is now set up, and as you can see, this is the same size, this is the same colors, but there's still some different stuff, some upgrades, so let's have a closer look. Okay, so I already told you about the different straps, but there is another difference, another upgrade, and it's just underneath this piece of fabric, and it's the fixation point of those straps. It's now holding up with 3 points instead of 2, and they are not rivets anymore, but simply screws. So this will be way easier to work with out there on the trails. Let's go under it now, and as you can see, the floor have been reinforced with an alloy panel. So the floor is way stiffer now and less likely to bend or even more to be damaged. And that's very nice for me because I'm used to step on the rooftop tent on the roof while closing it. And just like the cover, I really love how it looks, and I think it gets the rooftop tent to another level. It feels and looks more high-end now. And the rain cover changed as well, with a bit more fabric on the sides to prevent the wind going between the rain cover and the rooftop tent. Because on the previous version, the rain cover was pretty flappy and noisy all the night, and that was very annoying. And it's actually the same on the front of the tent. The previous version rain cover was just like this, so the wind could easily get through in between. Now it's totally covered, and I think it's gonna be also better for the rain. And now let's get inside. I didn't even remove those elastics here. So the inside is pretty much the same, but in my opinion, the mattress seems a bit stiffer and thicker. So that's pretty good news as well. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this new rooftop tent. Thank you, Djebel Xtreme. I think those upgrades are pretty well thought and actually needed as well. So with this 2.0 version of the tent, we end up with a higher quality product, and all of this for the same price. And I still have one thing to tell you. I'm pretty excited about this new rooftop tent. I love it. So Lizanne and I, we're probably gonna go on a random adventure pretty soon to test it in real conditions and see how good is it. So please stay tuned for the next videos. I hope you like this one. I'm gonna put the link of this rooftop tent down below in the description so you can check it out. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account, my Facebook page, and my merch store. And if you want to support us in another way, we also have a Patreon page. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next week.